So IIT Madras Zanzibar, we are right now located on a transit campus in a place called Vallejo. Vallejo is about 20 kilometers from center of Zanzibar, or what we call a stone town. Right? So it is very rural. We are very close to the sea as well. The faculty members live close by in a location called Fumba, where there is a set of apartments that we collectively have rented. So the campus right now houses hostels, lecture halls, sports facilities, all of this integrated like in a regular IIT campus, but it's in a transit location as of now. We are building our permanent campus a couple of kilometers away from here, which is coming up as we speak. The new campus is being purpose built as a 22nd century campus. So we are bringing a confluence of science, art and technology, and we are building into the heart of the whole process the culture of building, the culture of maker spaces, the culture of students working across disciplines. So of course the design is not finalized yet, but the thought process is that science disciplines will be co-located together with engineering disciplines, which will be co-located together with art disciplines. There will be maker spaces, there will be meeting rooms, there will be common points for cross-fertilization of ideas. This is how we want to bring out a cross-disciplinary interaction. Like in any IIT Madras, typically the best of an IIT experience is gathered through a campus living. Right? So you meet students from different countries, maybe you make friends with somebody from Zambia, somebody from Kenya, somebody from Uganda. You grow together. This is the age when you're really growing up, and having these kinds of experiences adds to your own learning, and you grow personally. You not just grow through classroom experiences, you also grow through working together on projects, working together on ideas, sharing notes, discussing across the mess table. These are all experiences that you really gather by being in person physically on the campus. So faculty are accessible. Faculty offices are there in the campus. Most faculty are open for discussions. So students are free to come and set meetings with them. There is typically not a need for prior meetings because these numbers are small, and we believe in faculty working together with students such that they can give individualized learning, an experience of individualized learning to them. So already our classrooms are all smart classrooms. I've been teaching on the home campus for 15 years. I loved what I found in terms of the classroom infrastructure at the Zanzibar campus. All classrooms have smart TVs. So projection is easy, making notes is easy, sharing notes is easy. We have state-of-the-art computer laboratories. Right now we have DS and AI. So the laboratories are dedicated to that for AI, for data sciences analysis. We have server rooms, we have servers and so on. Going forward, we are trying to build a world-class server infrastructure. We are trying to build chemical process engineering laboratories. We also want to bring in facilities for robotics and embodied AI, and ultimately also allied disciplines including marine engineering and urban engineering. Some of our undergraduate students are already publishing papers in top conferences such as ICLR and ICML. So indeed, our students, because the numbers are small, there are faculty of international reputation working together with us. They get a chance to work very closely with their professors, and they are producing research outputs very early in their student academic careers.